Hello friends, today my recipe is very tasty and yummy. Its name is a charcoal vegetables grill. So the vegetables I need are zucchini. Cut this zucchini like this, and red onion. Cut them like the round one, and aubergine. Cut it like this. Bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper. I'm using some baby potatoes, and 1.5 teaspoon of herbs, salt according to your taste, and 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper, and some of 2 to 3 tablespoon of olive oil. So let's start our recipe. So let's start it. So pour some oil. And vegetables, zucchini, aubergine, bell pepper green, bell pepper yellow, and potato. We are not going to use onion in this stage because we need onion little bit crispy. We need 2 layers of vegetables, so add some oil, add some salt, black pepper, oil, and herbs. So second layer is prepared. Olive oil, salt according to your taste, black crushed pepper, herbs, and we are going to put the onion on it, but after half cook of them because we need onion little bit crispy. So my oven is preheated on 250. So put them on the second shelf and wait them to little bit bake. So it's 15 minutes gone. So they are half cooked. Take it out and we are going to put onion on them. We need some oil to crisp the onion. And we need some salt and black pepper. So put this back in the oven. So when we started the heat was 250. Now heat is on 50. So let them cook for 20 minutes. Let me check because it's 15 minutes gone. So they are delicious, they are very tasty, they are half cooked. I'm gonna mix them properly. They are deliciously ready, and we are going to mix it. And I hope you like my recipe and you will share it with your friends, and you will subscribe my channel on YouTube. Until next video, bye bye.